Hi, my name's Darrell, and this is the craft that I'm going to do. I'm going to do a bird feeder. Bird food, peanut butter, and some yarn, and some scissors, and then some pine cones. So first, you'll need to cut a piece of string off, and kind of put the string down, and go kind of tighten it up on the pine cone. Okay, and then kind of do it like you're tying a shoe. And if you don't know how to tie a shoe, that's okay. You can just have adults help you. And there. It's done with this part. You just have to tie it one more time at the very top. And there. This part's all done. Now you just have to put the pine cone on some peanut butter. You have to kind of put the string to its out of the way. Now kind of just smear it onto the pine cone. It's kind of a messy project. Okay, now you just get some bird food, and then dump it onto a piece of pan, like a pan, and then just roll it or dip it onto the pine cone. And there, you've got a bird feeder. Good job, Breeze. And there's different varieties. Have your mom or your dad or any kind of adult to help you get a hot glue gun and just kind of put it on there, and then you can set it. You can have it as a spoon, and there's one that a whole family could sit on it and just nibble. And that's how you make a bird feeder.